One of the big draws for whale shark research here at St. Helena is we're looking to see what brings these sharks here, what makes this place special. There's so many questions to be answered here, and St. Helena is a perfect place to look.
This third expedition, we have 11 people in the crew rolling in and out over the course of 3 weeks, and a much more ambitious science and conservation plan that covers both whale shark biology and the impact of ocean plastics on remote islands like this.
Right now we're looking for whale sharks, so we're going to this area and they're zigzagging back. The reason we're doing this zigzag pattern is it allows us to see the whale sharks in every direction. When they see the whale shark, the first thing they're going to do is they're going to bang on the roof of the boat or stomp, make a loud noise so the captain knows we've got a whale shark spotted. We got a whale shark, so we're going to stop what we're doing right now. We're going to break away and get our divers in the water. So the first thing we're going to do, since we got the whale shark, I'm going to mark it on our encounter logs, mark the position so we'll know where we were working the whale shark. All right, now outside. All right, Cameron, Alex, you guys are up. You ready to roll? All right. So Cameron's going to swim out to the whale shark. He's going to go alongside to collect those photo IDs that were the photograph that we need to identify the whale shark. And then he's going to immediately come back in and give us data about the whale shark, like how big it is, male, female, any noticeable scars, that sort of thing. Before it dove, we were successful in getting a genetic sample. Cameron did get some photos, so when he comes back on the boat, I'm going to find out whether it was a male, female, give me a size estimate of how big he thinks it is, and any other notifying features of the animal. It's about 2 o'clock, kind of midday, nice and hot, the sun comes out. That's usually the time we see them start rising up to the surface. Sometimes they're feeding. We can look and see if they're moving their mouths along the surface, or we can look at the water. Sometimes when you look up at the water through the light, you'll see a shimmer because of all the fish eggs and things in the water. So when you couple that with the mouth moving, we can see that they're feeding. They're definitely out here looking for something to eat. One of the really big goals we have this year is we want to try and maintain the receivers in the array that we put out in 2016. So with the array, what we're doing is we're trying to build capacity for research here in St. Helena. The receivers are like microphones that are sitting underwater constantly listening for transmissions from transmitters we've applied to whale sharks in the past. So as these animals swim past these microphones, these receivers, they log the location. Each whale shark has its own transmitter. So as these whale sharks swim past the receivers in this array, we can see how the whale sharks move around the island. We can understand some questions about their habitat usage and start to make some decisions about conservation, start looking at different things with the whale sharks. Good job, guys. Excellent work. So we just got our first receiver back of the day. I'm really excited to take it back to the lab and see what kind of treasures are waiting inside. One of the things that's really exciting about the work we can do here in St. Helena is we can take some of the things we've learned in the aquarium and apply that to what we do here in the field and vice versa. To be out here and swim with these gentle giants is just truly it's an amazing experience, and it's a fulfilling experience knowing that all the work you've done really put you here to this place. It's been a really awesome experience.
We've got this one globally connected body of water that is becoming heavily affected by the plastic trash that we use every day. A whale shark is a filter feeding animal. It is a shark, but unlike other sharks, it doesn't have big sharp teeth. It has 20 filter pads in its throat that it uses to separate the water from the plankton that it likes to eat. Unfortunately, that plankton is about the same size as many of the plastic fragments we see on the beach here. So we worry a lot about the impacts of plastic pollution on the health of whale sharks. To be fair, we don't really know what impact that has on their biology yet, but we suspect that it's probably not good, and that's why it's really important that we do the best we can to document this problem now.